Okay, so let's see. So this is the first time I've ever owned a Mac. And one thing that I noticed is that the light on this side is out. So what I did is I purchased this kit on Amazon, on eBay actually, that has the lights. There should be LED lights. This one's for meters, it says. I'm not sure if I'm gonna replace the meters. The lights look pretty good. From hi-fi-audio.com, which they also sent me if I could make a video they'll give me money for. I'm not trying to do that. I don't care about that, but I think it's mainly to help everyone else. I didn't find many videos online, so and I guess this is the background of the meters. So we'll see how it goes. I will record as much as possible. I'll edit the video later, but for now I'm just gonna start by taking some of the pieces that I was told that they just needed to be taken apart, which I think is this piece. So for now I'm taking one screw, they're pretty small, and I'll leave it on this side. So there's one, there is one on the top, and they're not tight at all. I'm actually gonna leave them in the same position. I like putting everything back as it was. So I'll make sure I tighten it with the same hand torque, I guess, since I don't know what they're torqued at specifications. And I hope I'm not on the way. I'm sorry if I get on the way, but I'm trying to record as much as possible for everyone. I believe I have to take this side out because it's not coming. I'm gonna slide it. Just don't wanna. Oh my god, this is just. I think it's good. Okay. Just want to make sure it's not resting on this part that I'm about to take off. I don't want to bend it, and then it won't go in the same. I'm trying to keep it nice. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, it's coming out. It's coming out, guys. Okay, safe to take this out. Pressure there. Hair, dog hair, or cat hair, or something. This is the piece that I took out. Set it here. Oh yeah. Woo. Okay. All right, let me show you guys. You guys want to see what's behind it? This is what's behind. Okay guys, you have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 pins to be able to get to the lights, which are right there. I'm gonna try to remove this piece, unplug it, so I can solder the lights. Okay, I just want to show you guys the difference. So these are the lights, right? I don't have any out. I'm mainly going for the controller part, the remote. Unplugging and disconnecting this is not that hard, so I already have the light bulbs right here, which then they need to be soldered. But there's another bar just like that one at the bottom. It's very hard to see, but that one holds the other. You can see it there. So that's the other one. You can see it right there. It goes all the way across the other side. If I can remove that other nut on each side, I should be able to pull that bar. Not sure what it's called, but it's like module for the lights. I don't know. Circuit. Just as that one, and then I might not have to remove a bunch of these things, but we'll see. Okay guys, I'm going to try to take the glass out so I don't break it. I believe I have to take this piece that is holding it. There are some screws here as well as the bottom. I'm gonna try removing them and see if this comes off. This comes off, then the glass comes out. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, I removed the bottom screws, and it seems that the glass is coming out. I want to be extremely careful because I don't want to break it. But it seems so nervous. Okay. Ooh, yes. All right, guys. This came off. I can see the lights now. So it's going well, guys. It's not taking that long. I'll give it a clean up and switch the lenses. They do seem a little faded, so I got the new ones. I'll replace them and give them a nice cleanup. Yep, so as you see, that's the only light, but we're about to replace them. I wasn't able to get to those screws from here. I was able to get the first one, but not the one that is like deeper inside. So what I did is I put a folded rug that's kind of holding the weight, because this thing is super heavy, but it's not touching the face. I don't want to mess this up, so I'm gonna try to hurry up, remove those screws to take this plate so I can get to this screw and the second one, so this can come off. Maybe I can even get to that second set of lights without removing this. We'll see, but I'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so I was able to take the underneath cover off. That's what we're looking at. So I should be able to get to those two and those two to remove this. Okay people, this is how we have it. So I unplugged those two, unplug this too, and then they came out of those holes, and this is the part. So now I need to take this part, which holds the light bulbs, and this seems to be a 7. So there's 1, 2, and 3. All right, guys. So to take this one off, I did have to take the knob off. So I'm working on the second one. I couldn't find actually the tool, so I ended up using, you know, the screwdriver. All right, finally got it out. This is the trouble. 3 of those were out, so I need to replace them. So I'm gonna solder now and then connect them and then put back everything together. So okay, for the soldering part, I already did 3. So what I'm doing is, I was trying to go 1 and then 1 and then 1, but it cools off before I can get to both. So what I'm doing is kind of like crossing it in between, really close to the solder, and then I use pull, and then I guess it heats up. This one, it's taking me a little longer, but it burns a little bit. So just gonna keep doing it until I get it, but I'm trying not to burn this plastic thingy. This one is taking me a little longer. Maybe I should loosen up a little bit of the solder. It has already in there. Whew, gets hot real quick. Just gonna wait a little bit and then I'm gonna do it, but that's the idea. Okay, I don't know if my memory in my phone is going to give me more. That's why I'm trying to do it in pieces, but this is the ones I got. Not sure if it matters which one is positive, which one's negative. God, this is gonna be fun trying to get them in there as they closed when I pulled. So it's gonna take me a little bit, but I'll try to figure it out. Okay guys, this is where we at. There's one that I need to just tighten up a little bit, but the other 2 are fine. This one I just need to solder a little better, but so far so good. Installed the lamps and I just removed that part by removing those 2 screws, one here. That bridge came out, and now I'm looking at replacing those. But it's late. I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow and get back to it. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Okay, I decided not to replace the lenses just because those are cut like originally, and the ones that I got, I have to do the cuts, and those seemed pretty good, so I'll just leave those. I just kind of cleaned them, and I also cleaned the inside of this. Was not hard at all, so I cleaned the inside. Now they look great. All right, front plate back together. Okay, cleaned everything up, cleaned the lenses, the glass there from the back. Now I'm gonna install it and see how it looks. Okay guys, so I decided to take the risk. I'm going to replace them all, but what I'm going to do is I'm gonna start with 4 and then I'm gonna plug it and see how it looks, and then I guess decide if I'm gonna do the other 4, but at that point I think I will just do them, but just so everyone can see the difference. So this is the difference, guys. The original is more greenish, the other one is a little bit more purple-ish, bluish, I guess. Yeah, but I mean, I already changed them, so I don't want to go back to the original, so I'm just gonna have to leave that one on the right. All right, now it's just putting it all together. It wasn't bad at all. It was not bad at all, guys. All right, guys, look at this beauty. It's all done. Turned out beautifully. So worth it. It was not hard at all. It didn't take much time, but it's all done. Don't worry about that turntable. I'm gonna remove it. It's just there for now. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm hoping that I was as detailed as possible. I hope it helps a lot of you guys out there that are planning on doing that. I think you can tackle it. I would say the annoying part, the tedious part, was the soldering. Other than that, it's not bad at all. So look, everyone, it's been a while since I haven't uploaded any videos, but I hope you guys like it. Bye.